Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 because of this error 0x800f081e. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. The link is provided in the video description. Now click on download now over here and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now over here if you see update option or install option, you can try to install it from here and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows update, and over here you can see pause update option. Click on pause, and once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box. Click on services, find Windows update, scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows update. Make a double click on Windows update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click on background intelligent transfer service, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. And now make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll up somewhere you will see app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, again hit apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app and make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan, and once the scan is 100% complete, you can copy the second command and paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer and then check. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now still not working, and then open Windows settings, go to Windows update, go to advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery option over here. Here you can see fix problems using Windows update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next, save it to desktop, save, let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option and then let this close automatically. Do not close this manually. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. And one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.